Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can deposit crypto on ByBit app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on ByBit app and already verified yourself as well. And now right after that, you can see once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the ByBit apps on in the screen. So now if you want to deposit crypto on ByBit app, then you can see there is assets option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard, which is distinguishable by its wallet icon. So let's tap on that wallet icon for now, and now you can see deposit option in here, which is at the left side of the withdraw. So let's tap on the deposit. And now you can see there is three options in here. First one is buy with NPR, another one is P2P trading, and last one is deposit crypto. So if you want to deposit crypto, then you can simply choose the second one, which is P2P trading. And now you can see there is two sellers available in here, and you can also choose any of the crypto from here. Like you can see it is USDT for now. You can also choose USDC, you can also choose BTC and ETH. So let's choose USDT for now, and you simply need to tap on any of the seller and you need to communicate with them. So once you verify yourself and once your transaction gets complete, you will be able to deposit crypto on ByBit app successfully. So basically this is how you can deposit, and this is the section where you can deposit your crypto on ByBit app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.